My name is Matt Turner. Been with residential for 21 years. Started the company in 2004, right out of high school. Started in the cab shop, bubble wrapping our cabs, and slowly worked my way through the company as a driver, as a supervisor, as a logistics manager, then a plant manager, and finished my plant career as director of manufacturing for both our facilities. From there, moved to a territory salesman of the Forgotten Coast. I really enjoy being in the field and interacting with customers, giving them what they need for a short term or for a rental property or for a lifelong house. Residential Elevators is based in Tallahassee, Florida. That's our corporate headquarters. We have a manufacturing plant in Crawfordville, Florida, and a metal manufacturer plant in Cairo, Georgia. We manufacture our parts out of the two facilities, and our service territory is from Key West to California to New York. We sell it, ship it, manufacture it, install it, and service it. Today we're in Indian Pass, Florida, here to feature a custom shaker cab. We match any custom Sherwin-Williams paint, and this cab is upgraded to touchscreen haul stations and touchscreen COP, which is located in the cab. Touchscreen COP cab allows the customer to lock out floors, set up rental passcodes, gives you a lot of features. This cab also features a auto gate operator, so it auto opens at each landing for you when you're getting off and on. If your hands are full, once you call the button, the door opens for you. You get in, select the button, the gate closes for you. So it makes it a lot easier for the customer. This elevator is a traction system, therefore you don't need a machine room. The shaft is a machine room. Everything is located at the top of the shaft. Therefore, if you're in a flood zone or any area that may have hurricane potential winds that blows water in, 90% of your elevator equipment is at the very top of the shaft. Our elevator also features auto homing, so therefore, whatever the customer likes, after 7 minutes, the elevator will automatically return to the second floor or the third floor. Therefore, it stays out of the weather conditions or any flood issues. So as a new customer, what you expect, we like to do a phone consultation so we can figure out, what you're looking for. If you have a 2-stop or 3-stop, what general area you're looking at building in. And then what I like to do is send you a link from our website. Therefore, the customer or one of their clients can build the elevator cab. From there, once you design your cab, it automatically comes back to me as a notification. I'm able to go in there and sort out the things that I feel like is best for you in your area, and I'll recommend things based on that, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Once that is settled, we've come to agreement of a style, it will go into production. And then once we have that elevator produced, our scheduling team will reach out to you to coordinate delivery. Once that takes place, I coordinate with you or your builder or your client, and we start coordinating installation day. And once that installation date is set, our guys arrive as a 2-man team, and it takes them typically 2 to 3 days for an install. Once the install is complete, we coordinate to do a homeowner walkthrough so we can walk you from how to enter the elevator, how to move to each floor, how to manually crank it if needed, if you were to lose power or there was an issue or you had a renter issue. We basically walk you through the full process. And after we do that, we recommend, maintenance packages for you. Our elevator comes with a great warranty. Therefore, you typically don't have to worry about anything because this is a great product. Residential Elevator stands alone because our customer service is far above anyone else's. We take calls as salesmen over the weekend, on holidays, to make sure the customer is satisfied and they got what they deserve or they got what they designed. If you have a dream of something, we want to put that dream to real life and give you a product that you're happy with and that you're proud of. So if you're interested in learning more about residential elevators or inquiring about a quote, you can visit our website and you can click on Design Your Own Cab. Once you design your cab, you put in your address of the job site and it will automatically go to the salesman in your region. And if you're in the Forgotten Coast area, Cedar Key to Mexico Beach to South Georgia, I can't wait to work with you.